In an unfortunate incident, a Bolero bearing registration number ML05U8619, supposedly to have been used by the Meghalaya police, had been partly damaged after a stone pelting incident that occurred at around 9 p.m. of the 14th of August 2021 at JAIAW PDENG Main Road, Shillong. Until the filing of this report, there has been no official communication on this end from the side of the government or the general public. In the meanwhile, residents of the area were seen gathering at the place of the incident, while personnel from the police department came to tow away the vehicle from the area. It may be mentioned that those involved in the incident are yet to be identified.